रेड वाइन केप्ट? आकाश, रेड वाइन कहाँ है? एक निकाल दे। एंड दिस इज रेड।
Sparkling, rosé and red.
एंड कितनी पोर करनी है ये भी एक बार इनसे देख लेना। गाइस, स्टिल हियर, अ रीफिल इज स्टिल हियर। देख लो, एक में आई थिंक इसमें तो 5 आ ही जाएंगे आराम से। गिराए ना ऊपर चढ़ते हुए। बाहर ये रिटन वाला चीज तुम कहाँ करवाओगे? Like where will people write?
They have to do it here.
So then let's have that here. People can do that here and here, and here only give them the first glass of wine and move them upstairs.
ठीक है। Welcome to Glass House Gallery. I'm going to introduce Rishabh and Rashi from Memoirs of India. We will be having the guided tour in about 2 minutes. And then if you wish to browse on your own, please grab a glass of wine and then you guys can head to the first block.
So this is a wood engraving by the artist named Samuel Swinton Jacob. It's from 1890s. So wood engravings designs are very accurate, and these are designs from various monuments in Delhi and Jaipur. These are from a book called Jaipur, the Jaipur Portfolio. So these are coping designs. The artist used to design his sketches on a limestone using a very greasy material like crayon or some other things, and engrave it on a piece of paper using water.
These two are by the same artist, G.F. Atkinson. He was an officer in the British East India Company, and that's where he was traveling for like 17 years. It was like his magnum opus that he did. And then from 1765 for 17 years he was here. Then in 1813 is when he published all of these.
They did a series on India, and they are the most renowned British artists during that period.
They use color on the
Yeah, so that is why lithographs generally have a sepia tint, because sepia tint is a yellowish tone, which you can see. So the engravings that you saw on the floor below by Atkinson, it had some of the engravings were yellow in tint. So that is the sepia tint. It's all lithographed over there. So these are steel engravings, entirely different method of printing. So the entire steel plate needs to be discarded, and another one has to be hand drawn again. Hi, I'm Rishabh Jain from Memoirs of India. We are doing a collaboration with 8 Glass House, and we've displayed beautiful art pieces in this beautiful cafe. And we are hosting an event where we've called people interested in art and history, and we're getting a very good response. People want to know what these are. We are happy to explain them about the different printing techniques that are used during the 19th century and the 18th century. And it's all very new to them. Since we are on a mission to preserve these beautiful art pieces, we are happy to educate as many people as we can. We're happy to be part of this display section. great event and we had a lot of fun sharing what these artworks are with people, and we enjoyed it a lot.
She'll keep on building
So my legs are going to answer that question the next day, going up and down.
That's
I
a
think
leg
it was
workout, it's a leg workout.
probably like 10 tours maybe. I don't know. My legs are
But
going to
totally
answer that
worth
question.
it. Totally worth it, I would say.
No, it wasn't.